ask your personal thoughts and opinion on what resilience really is. So earlier you touched on resilience, but maybe you can share more deeply about what resilience really is on personally and how do we see that on an organization or a workplace environment.
Right. Okay. So I think one of the biggest myth about resilience is that people think resilience means being tough and enough to keep going, but it doesn't. It doesn't. Resilience is not about tolerating unlimited stress. Technically, it means that having the capacity to recover, adapt, and continue performing without losing yourself in this process. And I think personally, my journey in terms of the resilience is also the same, right? There was one point in time in my personal life, there were a lot of things going on, and professionally as well. So sometimes you, as a human being, do tend to have impact on your resilience too, right? But then when I had thought of everything like nothing is going well, I thought of recovering myself because again all these stressors were impacting me physically, emotionally, and psychologically too. So when I went on to the whole crux of the things, that's where I started to understand that my resilience is not about that, okay, I have to keep myself strong and keep going and going. No, I'm a human being. I tend to break down. I do have challenges to days where I don't feel like getting up and don't doing things, like don't even working or don't even coming to the office or showing my face to the team. I just want to be with my own self. So I slowly, when I started adapting to stuff, I adapting that, okay, this is going to coexist with my environment. These challenges and stresses are going to be there, but how do I recover myself on a daily basis? I can't get that myself impacted, right? And then also showing up at work, because that's where I am earning and that's where everything comes from, right? So yeah, I think it's a whole process, it's a whole journey, and I think everyone should understand that you don't have to be strong to move ahead. And I have seen this where working in a very high pressured environment, sometimes when people ask you this question is how are you doing, and you say, yeah, I'm doing okay. But no, there are days I'm not doing okay. There are times where I'm like, no, I am irritated, I'm frustrated, right? And sometimes people don't really realize that they become very emotionally numb over the period of time. And that's where I think the system works. When we say it takes a village to raise a child, a system to raise a child, similarly it takes a system from an organizational standpoint for each employee that is working for you, right? That conducive environment or a system needs to be created, which you call it a psychologically safe environment, right? So I think that's what I feel is resilience, and I've gone through that journey of being more resilient now, being able to handle the stresses. Yes, they coexist with me, but I know every day how I have to recover and then continue to keep performing as also as well, both personally and at professional level.